And this is a manga style na comics. Okay? So first, para itong review na din, pero hindi pa review ng mismong story. Okay? As I know, I think this is a little bit, not just a little bit, but I think this is a love story. Okay? So Inner World, ayan, makita natin yung ano niya, yung logo ng Shidzilla Studio din ang Inner World na title, chapter 1. Yes, this is only just the chapter 1. Okay, so, it's a manga style. So, hindi ka magbabasa dito. Ayan. Stop! This is back of the book and you need to read it manga style. So, at nandito rin pala yung mga ano niya, yung mga social media accounts siya. Here are my other social media that you can follow. May Shidzilla Studio on Facebook, Shidzilla 214 sa Instagram, Shidzilla on Twitter, which is X ng tawag ngayon, and r/Shidzilla sa Reddit. So message me for